Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw number 1 dad, so let's get started. To draw this for your dad, let's first start by drawing the number sign. So right here, I'm just going to start by drawing a square. So this is just right inside the number sign or hashtag sign. So I got one little square, and then now we're going to start to draw around it. So I'm just going to basically follow all the sides of my square. So I'm going to come out, say about that much, and same thing here. And then same thing right here. So we're just going to give it some sides. So now we have the 4 sides, and now we can start to draw this, I'm going to call them the arms that come out. So I'm going to come out right here, and basically it's going to continue. So everything is continuing. So about right there, we're going to stop, come down, and it's going to stop right there because this continues out for another arm. So about that much, and come right back in. So we're going to continue that on all 4 sides. And don't worry, it doesn't have to be completely straight or perfect. It's meant to be fun and whimsical. And homemade, of course, right? So right here, just gonna go and just draw all the arms for our number sign. There, we got it all done. And then right in the center, of course, I'm going to put a heart right here for Dad. Right in the center. Okay, so then now to draw the number 1. So it's going to be the same height as the hashtag, number sign. So I'm just going to come about right here, really close to it. And I'm just going to make sure it's about the same height. So about right there. And it's all up to you what kind of 1 you want to draw. I'm just going to make mine nice and prominent and big and strong, right? Just like your dad. And it's going to just come right across. There, we got our number 1. Now we're going to write dad. So it's all going to come right under here. So just going to make sure right underneath, about right here. Just going to go ahead and do draw a D. So just keeping in mind I have 3 letters I need to draw. So the first letter will end about right here. So just keep that in mind. So right here will stop. Come around and draw my D. And I'll come right in here and follow my outside. It's a very simple D. Okay, so now we have another D. So I'm going to draw that first so that I can just, whatever space I have left, I can make the A in there, just so it's a little bit more even. So let's say about right here. I'm just going to go ahead and once again, just like my other D, and then I'm going to start to come around right here. Right here, so same thing. And another straight line down. And once again, just like the other D, now we have 2 D's in, and I think this one's a little bit shorter. You can always come in here and make it taller. Okay, a little bit better. Now we have this nice room right here in the center for our A. So in between, I'm going to come right about here. This is my top of my A. And then now I'm just going to go ahead and bring down a big capital A. And right in the center here, I'm just going to add a bow for Dad, but you can put a mustache here or tie, whatever you like for a symbol for your dad. So I got a bow in there. And then let's draw the inside of our A. So I'm just going to come in here, a little peek. Imagine this coming through. And connect. So there, all done. I really hope this inspires you to draw for your dad and that I made it fun and easy for you to follow along. Thanks so much for watching, and if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.